You can sit yourself up nice and tall on the floor or let your eyes drift closed. You're welcome to. If you need a few more intentional, big, deep breaths, take them. And choose a hand position, either palms down or palms up. If you feel intuitively like connecting a fingertip to a thumb, please do. Notice any areas of tightness in your body, like in your neck or shoulders or abdomen, and let them go. Notice any tightness in your thoughts, in your head, or any resistance to emotions. And let go of attachment to them. Vishvara Pranidhana is one of the niyamas about surrender. It invites us to release control because we can trust the flow of life. Inviting in an awareness that there is nothing to fix, nothing to force, to just be. I invite you to bring into your awareness something, could be something from today or recently in life or a long time ago that you're holding on to. Maybe an expectation, a worry, or if you're like my ego just feels a general need to try and control. Without judgment, as your higher self, can you simply observe this thing you're holding on to? Imagine it, if it were put in your hands or in a backpack, how much this thing you're holding on to weighs. As you sense the weight of it, if you let it go, set the bag down or set the thing down as you open your hands. And letting go of it doesn't mean that you're giving up. It simply means that you're trusting the flow of life. I love the visual of times in my life where I notice that I'm paddling upstream, like if I were in a boat and working really hard paddling upstream. And I'm not actually going anywhere. But if I put my oars in the boat and let my boat turn around and flow downstream, yes, there might be twists and turns and some steep spots or some fast or slow spots, but ultimately I'll make it to a new destination if I just surrender. So rather than resisting the journey, could you trust the journey? You could say aloud or in your head, I surrender to the flow of life. I release what I cannot control. I trust that I am supported. As you breathe in, invite ease. And as you breathe out, release resistance. As you breathe in, invite ease. And as you breathe out, release resistance. Put your arms overhead on an inhale. Draw hands into heart center. Exhale. Set an intention for the rest of your day right here. would be to let go of what you can't control or something else. And we'll Om together. Inhale. Ah. Bring your thumbs to touch the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today.